Hello. So the modeling task was for a regression model using tabular Excel data as the input features to generate a prediction, the target being net hourly electrical energy output, or PE. Um, the features that I used were temperature, ambient pressure, relative humidity, and exhaust vacuum. So I used all the features that were available in the Excel sheet, PE being my target. So I did use um, Google Cloud with Vector AI Auto ML to create my models. I chose to use all the values, features in my first model, and I evaluated my first model based on the R squared value. So the R squared value of my first model was 0.951. And as we know, the closer the score is to 1, the higher quality the model is. I then reviewed the feature importance, where I can see that the AT value, um, temperature, and the vacuum volume were by far the features of highest importance. I can then see that the ambient pressure and the humidity were the least important values. So I thought, okay, I'll drop the least important value to see if it was creating noise in our model. So the second model that I created used, I dropped that feature of last importance, which was RH. I then used the AutoML to build a linear regression model using that tabular data. And then my data set was limited to the features that excluded RH. So my second model I evaluated based on the R squared value, and that value was 0.914. So overall, my first model performed better, and therefore I would prefer that model to be deployed.